Hello, this is Super Bee Shirley with BBS Bees. It is Sunday, May 8th, 2022. It's about 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 61 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how I'll be leaving my entrance while I'm away. Still very early in the season. We don't have any new baby bees yet. They will be coming around the 18th to 22nd of May. So we just have my 3-pound package of bees here to defend the whole. Specifically, I am concerned about mice because mice found this hive last fall. And look at those pollen pants coming in. This is the only one hive. Vanilla colored pollen, light warm yellow. Both of their pants are full on either side. Nice. All right, and people, I should say, the girls are just coming and going. No orientation fights today. Everybody knows what tasks they're assigned. So I'm just coming in to see how they're doing on that jar of honey I left them. Oh, we got some bees at the top. Maybe they're propolising that divider board. Oh, they're still working on it. I left the jar and the plate in there, which means it'll be in there for a couple weeks. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like when I come back in. This is Super Bee Shirley with BBS Bees. We'll buzz you later. Bye!